Roadmaster getting on down.
Yeah, but he didn't tell the whole story. He didn't tell the whole story. That was his girlfriend. He left that part out.
No copy on Dirty Sanchez. The boss of Wisconsin, Mr. Roadmaster, still living American dream and I'm getting on down.
Yeah, why else would he buy all those clothes? Man, you just don't buy...
Hey, Dirty Sanchez, tell the story. Tell the story, Dirty Sanchez. It's Roadmaster time and I'm gone.
The Carolinas got down.
Hey, Dirty Sanchez, the boss of Wisconsin talk show. I got Daffy Duck, I got Donald Duck, I got all these ducks around Wisconsin, Dirty Sanchez. Quack, 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 quack. That's what they're doing, I'm gone. That kind of big wearing dresses and high heel shoes. That kind of big went and got some cover girl makeup. He's wearing dresses, high heel shoes, and he got a bra, but he ain't got no panties there, Timbo.
She gonna get some more clothes?
I got weird people in my ear. He coming in my radio. Weird people out of Sandman got you covered up. But 45 is wearing dresses, high heel shoes, and he got a bra to fit them big titties he got on back out. Well, his breast sag now. He need to drink some more of that his sure milk. His titties sag now. You lost all that weight. He was 400 pounds. Now his titties are sagging there, Timbo. Is that what Sam did? Tell Sandman to get out the playpen with them kids. Tell Sandman he shouldn't be in the playpen with them kids. He been playing in the sandbox with them little kids. He needs to stop that. I'm gone.
Take care, Soul Snatcher. Take care, Soul Snatcher. Old Blackfoot WDC got down.
Roadman.
Tell Sandman he too old to be playing in the sandbox with them little young kids. Tell him he too old to be playing in the sandbox with them little young kids. Kiss your little Roadmaster getting on down.
Buy any other man a pair of high heel shoes and a dress and a bra.
With Sandman walking around with hickeys on his neck from them little kids he been playing in the sandbox with. He ought to be ashamed with himself. I'm getting on down.
Stormy weather, big mobile in a high chair watching the babies play. See the man.
He got... Well, somebody roll it. If you don't roll it, somebody gonna roll it there very great. That's what he get. He running around in the sandbox with little kids. He got hickeys on his neck. He doing the Michael Jackson.
He runs his mouth and buys his mouth. Buying another man's clothes, buying them dresses.
That's what I said. Tell him stop playing in the sandbox with them little kids. Sandman too old to be doing that Roadmaster stepping.
Blackfoot got down.
I can hear him over here, Fat Man. Hey, Fat Man, you don't have to roll no pies. I can hear that mud duck over here.
Sandman just jealous, man. Because I bought 45 some high heel shoes and a dress and a bra. Some high heel shoes, a dress and a bra. I'm back out.
Hello, Blackfoot.
I'm not going to buy Sandman a dress and some high heel shoes and a bra. I bought 45 that. Roadmaster getting on down.
North Carolina.
Tell Sandman to be quiet. quiet. Tell him sit on that stool and play like he's Santa Claus. I'm gone.
Number one, the nation's capital is gone out.
Now I know why Sandman like to play Santa Claus around Christmas. Now I know why he like to play Santa Claus around Christmas. It's not for the girls to sit on his lap. He like them little boys to sit on his lap. I'm gone.
Who did that right there? Who did that right there? Who did that right there?
Tell Sandman to be quiet, because Rule Master's on the playground. I want to run that cotton picker off the playground. I'm running Sandman off the playground.
I guess don't nobody know who did that. Stormy weather, big mobile, Oklahoma is out the way.
Bye, UFO. I'm gonna get on out the way.
Hey, Dirty Sanchez, I got the hardest job in the world, being myself. Rule Master getting on down.
So Brad said bye.
You and the family on that end also coming up. Hey, you take care. I'll put it on you later. Warren Nation. Coming up. Hey, Skywalker, you know, cutting off our radio, going across them cat, making way for you, Skywalker. People don't. Folks, people over the one man, y'all got the best mother nature. I'm out here working with the best I got. Hey, we the people, I'm working with the best I got right about now. We the people, Skywalker, got down. Doing a good job, too, Scott. Hey, Scott, doing a good job right there, man. All them out radio just want to bump it down. See, could I get a hey in there? Hello, Scott. 22? Oh, 22 in the low. You got down. Stormy weather, Stormy weather, go back this cat out of here. I'll back this big mobile out of here. Stormy weather, I was fixing to go. Have a good holiday, no doubt. Good talking with us. Skywalker, 22 in the low. Country passing through. Well, Undercover, I was in good afternoon. What's going on, homeboy? What's going on, homeboy? UFO killer, dynamite, brother. Dynamite, you get that boy leg, bro. Hey, Dynamite, you get that boy leg, bro. Trying to climb up in them Buckeye like that. Get that boy out of Buckeye. He ain't got to be in up there. Tell him to stay in Colorado. Eat some snow, baby. You need to quit, cat nigga. Hey, people, you need to stop, cat nigga. I just speak to my homeboy and I get ready. Ooh, Dynamite with this audio getting down. She over here. Evening time, UFO killer, no low, getting down. Get up, boy, get this boy down, eat some snow. Hey, get that boy to eat some snow. Dynamite, get my eat some snow, baby. Stormy weather gonna back it out of here. I just want to come out here and just wave that one finger. Talk it on y'all later, y'all take care. Stormy weather, big suburban, Oklahoma is out the way. Stormy weather, hey, Dynamite, get the place right. Hey, Dynamite, Stormy weather, go bump it down and wave right back.
making an awful lot of noise in Indiana, that witch doctor. Witch doctor, you make an awful lot of noise in the cornfield. Hello, witch doctor on the west side, Doc, 144 around Indiana, letting you know you're doing your thing. 14?
You got out the mall now. Hey, homeboy, we people to eat some stuff. Hey, we people.
+3 in there, which is kind of figured ain't element in there, witch doctor. But I had to bump this old Galaxy 44V down just to let you know you sound like the witch doctor in the cornfield there, 14. But I know that witch doctor, he's capable, ain't no doubt about that. I'm at 144 around Indiana, back on the mail.
Oh, witch doctor over the top, bring up.
Look, what happened, Weasel? What happened?
Don't contact you back on witch doctor, I'm out of here.
Oh, I can't hog it up on you no more there, Weasel. No more. I gotta let you go there, Roger.
Hey, witch doctor.
Hey, Coggro's cousin. I got pain low. I got pain low in my ankles. I got pain way low in my ankles. What's up, Coggro's cousin, brother?
Hey, witch doctor, where'd you go? Stormy weather, stand by.
What kind of paper, man?
Hey, Stormy, please Stormballs, quiet.
Man, you got it going on, Ken, baby.
Hey, little child, I was off from work today. I'm showering the wall. So I'm going to do your thing on that end. I'm showering. Hey, all right, my friend. Keep up the good work. Ain't no squeal, ain't no nothing. Just a great big hammer down here.
Taylor's playing this out.
I'm looking at you.
Hello, dog. What's that? Yeah, you got it, nigga, man. Hello, dog. I just paused for the calls. Hello, dog. What's Stormy weather, big suburban got back.
I'd like to know what happened to the witch doctor. Sound like something cut loose or something on that cutting making in. I sure like to know what happened to that big brother, no doubt. This thing acts like it wouldn't. Yeah, like it wouldn't do a little something, squeal or something.
Hey, dog, I was just getting this gate ready, man. That's why I paused for the calls, because I was getting this gate ready. Dog, what's that? Come on.
All right, go and get you something to drink, big brother. We'll catch you later on. I'm going to be out here all the rest of the day. Good night later.
I want to know how long it's going to be before the witch doctor gets back in my radio. Witch doctor. I just told her whether all the big time gang out there and everything. But I'm trying to figure out where the witch doctor goes. I'm 144 downtown Ray's car capital being a little bit nosy and I'm gone now.
Hey, 13, take that phone. You don't need no phone now. I'm going to take that phone. I need a sidekick. 13 need a sidekick. I'm going to take that number 4. Clear, that make you happy. Hey, Claire, that tell me Stormy weather got all the conditions.
Hey, Claire, you mean tell me Stormy weather got all the conditions out there on the west side? Hey, Claire, Doc 144 want to know is Stormy weather got all the conditions out there on that west side or what there, break?
Hello, Stormy. Hey, Stormy, tell me Claire said he's so bullshit. I hear you, witch doctor. They out there
doctor. I don't know where old Fireball is at. They've been running him off the radio for the last couple of days. He act like he don't want to come out no more. So I don't know what the problem is, but I'm gonna sit back and read the mail. Maybe I just might find out. The old Doc 144 around down to be a nosy doctor. He say he could stand by.
Hey, Doc 144, we don't need to call that cotton picker out here anyway. Nobody wants to listen to that.
You got it right, Squeaker. Hey, Squeaker, you got it right. I'm thinking he finally realizing that too, Squeaker. Squeaker, hey, Fat Man, I think he finally realizing that don't nobody want to hear all that old rhetoric that he's spurging out here. Hey, Class,
Well, you got that right from this end anyway. Anyway, I just keyed it up, just warming up. Top of the day, T, Doc 144, looking right there, old Squeaker in the center of the coast. I'm stepping on through right here.
Look at it! I got some more people out here who want to do a little something. When I bring this log out in the middle of the road, there's a lot of them can key on it, but a lot of them can't. So hey, where's Doctor? If you playing, why you got it? Well, okay, if you playing, just...
I got somebody talking to Witch Doctor too there, and they're riding along with you, so I'll get out of the way. You be good. I'm sitting here taking a listen. Bye-bye.
Tell her on that Squeaker. Tell her on that Squeaker. I just raised it up a little bit in that Squeaker just to see if I could get in there. I got down.
Well, you raised it up a little bit more and you got there most of the way, but that stormy weather and that mobile in Oklahoma is definitely riding my receiver right to the edge right there. Anyway, I'll get out of his way. Top of the day, deal 144. And stormy weather, if you got a grip on Squeaker's lip, great big top of the day, T, and I'm stepping on down.
Top of the day, Squeaker. Squeaker, I'm just saying if you're behaving yourself today, Squeaker.
I'm doing the best I can, Stan. Hey, Stan, I'm doing the best I can. I just haven't turned it on in a couple days, so I thought maybe I'd turn it on and see what was going on there, break a break.
All right, John, you're doing the best you can. Boy, it's really rough out there. Hey, Squeaker. I heard you got some play out there now. There's another country can play out there right now. Stormy weather mobile. I'm going to get down. I'm waiting to get that name. I'm standing by.
Hey, Stan, we had a big storm here yesterday, 50-mile-an-hour winds, and it just blew the dust off of everything, so I figured now that I wasn't so dusty, maybe I could get out here there. Go ahead.
Fireball ain't out here for years. He's up on the
Oh, sounds like somebody else came out there too, tied everything up. Lost in the shuffle, no doubt about it, so I'm out of the way. Hey, Stan, you take care, be good. My little tow truck's got a flat tire, so I'm going to sit here and listen. I'll see you.
Now, Bobby, down. Hey, Dog, you don't have to worry about stormy weather, because I love to hear a Doc 144 talk. I love to hear a Doc 144 talk, but I know the baby king will beat his head up and try to get off this grid to get him off this suburban. Stormy weather got down. You can't wave in no stormy weather, no bill, until you wave in the cornfield. What's the matter with you? You're going to have to wave in the cornfield before you go. I don't want to key up on stormy weather in this mobile, but I don't like jumping on no more. Well, man, ain't no way. There's no doubt about it. So I'm gonna back it on down and put it back on. You get back up that door, get back in your radio.
Yeah, shoot, I can play now. Let me pull about $5 grand out of here and cruise the big Suburban.
I'll get back with you.
Stormy weather pool, fall green out to let the babies play.
Get on down, put it back on the quiet side. Dark 144 in Indiana is gone. It's gonna get rough on that. If you telling me that it's rough, if you telling me that that's rough in there, it might get rough on that. It might get rough on that. Old storm water might not get no good conditions in there. I'm glad to have them gone. I see you,
Line it up. Stage it.
Appreciate the care, nigga. I can tell you not only looking in the black gold, man. You talking in the black gold. Stormy weather. Watch this. I'm gonna give you a 2-horn stand down. The great big 3 hot Suburban got down.
that boy Mobile alone, cause he's in Oklahoma.
Hey, you're a killer. I'm trying to cook some chicken, man. I came up here to roll me one up, and I heard you making all that noise. I thought maybe you went down something too.
Real good coffee. Okay, mighty fine. You said you heard me talking to Clarence Zach and the Witch Doctor and some little boys out there?
Well, he's in Oklahoma, so ain't nothing I can do about it. I gotta think about 5 stations for me. All right, dog. Good evening to you. Good morning, whatever the case may be. Worldwide dog. Down 144 in Indiana. I'm on my halfway. I can always make a fucked up holler. I'm gonna head on to the big highway now. I'm gonna head up for a holler. Superman is gone. I'll get back with you.
Hello, 595. You know I'm going to speak to my big brother, 595. If I hear you in my radio, you know I got to get back. Hello, 595. Stormy weather pull back.
UFO killer?
Oh, please, man, why you stopping by, man? I heard you went on lots of with some. There was a lot more of them cat niggas got off that key. All these babies are playing that same cat nigga tag. Hey, preacher, man, but I appreciate you stepping out there. Stormy weather got down. Hey, Dirty Sanchez. That's what you have to do. Hey, Dirty Sandwich. That's what you have to do. You got to let all the babies play at the same time. If you don't, they call it discrimination, and I can lose my license, man. Stop it with that guy.
I'm going down in the Lake of Tears, too.
I can't hold it from the sugar. You got a worldwide talk show going on. Take care, UFO killer. Don't get you something to drink.
Hey, dog, I ain't gonna go my life.
The lightweight champ is 400 bird getting down.
I'm out of here, y'all.
See you later there, Superman. Hey, Superman, see you later. While you're out of there, Squeaker out west is gone.
But Superman ain't got no business out here, Squeaker. Squeaker, ask Superman how come he's out here. Hey, Squeaker, Doc 144 in Indiana, Illinois. Hey, Squeaker, ask Superman how come he's out here. Find out how come Superman is out here, Squeaker, that way.
Don't listen to my babies. Stormy weather is in the chair, you hear?
I heard you say that he had no business out there, Doc 144. Why are you picking on that man? I heard you because there was a great big pile up and you was over the top. But boy, I'm telling you, you telling him he ain't got no business out here. Well, that kind of biggered up pretty good in my radio there, Breaker.
My friend there, Brady.
Big black dog, man. Hey, Squeaker, who you talking to? Hey, Squeaker, Stormy Weather said, who you talking to? Hey, Squeaker, who are you talking to? Stormy Weather, I'm just being nosy.
I was talking to Doc 144, and Superman was in there for a minute, but boy, I tell you what, you come out there and roll right over the top, so Mother Nature must be in Oklahoma. Top of the day, T is Stormy Weather, I'm trying to get it right back.
You know Mother Nature's there.
I was just trying to find out, man. I was just trying to find out because I tell you what, that's a business.
Yeah, I know you was just trying to find out, but boy, it's a tangled up mess, because when they all key together, man, I got 40, 50 dBs and nothing but woo in my radio now. But anyway, hey, you take care, be good. I'll get back on the side and we'll take a listen. Stormy Weather in his mobile. Old Squeaker out here in the center of the West Coast with this small station with a plugged up receiver. I'm stepping.
You forgot to mention Doc 144. Hey, Squeaker, you forgot to mention Doc 144. Squeaker on the west side, Doc 144.
And I'll mention you too. Hey, Doc 144, I'll mention you too, because you were riding the top all the way across there, no doubt. You take care, be good. Here I sit. I'm taking a listen until things clear up a little bit. I'm gone.
Right, Squeaker.
Clean up on aisle 6. Stormy Weather, big mobile, say clean up on aisle 6. Hey, Squeaker, the bread big suburban, say clean up on aisle 6. Stormy Weather, pull back.
Clean up on aisle 6. And that's what it did right there. That mobile cleaned up aisle 6. Stormy Weather, I'm gone.
Hey, now, Squeaker, now I'm back in the hatch here. Let the babies play.
Don't forget to put your seatbelt on in that high chair. Don't want you falling out of there, no doubt. Catch you later. Take care of them babies out there. I'm gone.
No comment. Hey, wait, Doctor, why you want Squeaker out of our radio? Squeaker was doing okay, man. Why you want Squeaker out of the radio? Hey, wait, Doctor, that's your way of saying it. You know what? I don't know how you did that. Hey, wait, Doctor, okay. I guess I know. I'll go.
Yes, indeed.
Tell him I ain't going very far. Hey, you tell Witch Doctor I ain't going very far. I'm still sitting here.
No copy on Squeaker. No copy on Squeaker. I'm trying to get a little swing in these two systems.
D40 on that Squeaker, and that took care of the problem. Hey, wait, Doctor, why you crazy? I'll go.
Hey, I got some WD-40 contact cleaner. I got some contact cleaner. He sprays that on me. I'm just gonna squeak as loud as I did before. I'm gone.
Well, I wouldn't worry about that for a few minutes. We don't use it. You just keep getting it. Now you back in the bush. Okay? Well, I'm going to speak out back on this side. You I don't want out here. I got all my fingers on this playground. I'll get up this one now. Listen to my baby's play. Then Tim Roger right on. Put it on and I
Witch doctors, Mother Nature's in Oklahoma. Mine must be over there in Indiana. Anyway, you take care, Doc 144. Well, that witch doctor trying to squirt me with some WD-40, but I got some contact cleaner I swapped in its place. I'm going to stay out there squeaking as loud as I can. Great big top of the day. Doc 144, look at right there. I'm trying to get over the top like him. I'm gone.
Sir, no. Hey, dog, Stormy weather. I'm not gonna hold it. I'm not gonna hold on.
You told me you was going to get something to drink, Condell. If you did, you was real fast. Good job downtown, Ray's Car Capital in Dock 144. Told you so, and I'm gone now.
And you have a good day. Hey, Doc 144, you have a good afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you.
You got me laughing. Get out here and get on my tractor. You got me laughing in my radio room. Hey, you a whole killer. You crazy. But I will say hello to whoever that was trying to get in my radio. Hey, Squeaker, I'm going to say hello to him because he keyed up before you did, and after all, he did get in my radio, so I have to say hello, but I don't know who it is. Put it on your later, Squeaker. Doc 144. Well, you know, killer, you said he's streaking.
Yeah, all right there, Doc 144. I'll get out of the way. Let whoever that was out there get in your radio. Could have been UFO killer. I hear somebody talking to him. And it could be that pesky little witch doctor. That rascal is just north of me here. Anyway, top of the day, and here I go. I'm out of the way and letting you go.
You see it right there? That lets you know you got condition in my radio. Tell the family we say hello and wish them all well. I didn't come to stay, I just love to play. Dr. 144 in the past is pulling back. I'll get back with you. Oh, the audio. That's that 2500Z. That's that glass from the past audio. That's what it is. The glass from the past. UFO killer. I see. Audio. Difficult out here, but it'll be all right. I tell you what in there, dog. I ain't gonna have no old man nap, and I done ate already. And I'm getting old, but I ain't got that old to have no nap in there. Hey, dog, I do a lot of barking too. Hey, dog, I do a lot of barking too, so it ain't gonna be no old man nap. And I done had my dinner already there, buddy. Hey, Squeaker, undercover with this copper top technology. Trying to wave around your car. Hello, Squeaker. Squeaker, you got a copy undercover wave, and I'm going on. Tell you, UFO killer, you take care.
I hear somebody talking to UFO killer and somebody talking to dog down south. Hey, Undercover, I did hear you when them guys weren't keyed up. Great big good afternoon. Tell the family I said hello. Most quicker out west is gone.
But when it comes time to have them vittles, if you got bad teeth, I ain't got a whole lot of them. Do it, no doubt about it. Worldwide, no, doctor. Get back with you.
All right, then, well, you just gotta make it back out of the way one more time. UFO killer. And you can say UFO killer. Click. Hello.
No, Squeaker is not the only one out here. I hear you. I hear you likewise. I hear you also, no doubt about it. Top of the afternoon to you. If you got a copy, Undercover in Oklahoma, and I heard your radio. That's low key, dog. Hey, dog, that's low key. Just to let you know.
heard you, and I'm gone now.
Don't put no guards and no contact on Peacemaker. DNS Nichols.
Undercover told you that they ain't gonna take it back.
Now, boy, but down one more time and let you know I hurt you, dog. You say you were gonna get back with me, and I'll get back with you also. And dog, I heard one of my big brothers come out the mini grass. I don't know who that was coming out the mini grass making all that noise in my radio. Hey, dog, I don't know who that was coming out the mini grass making all that noise in my radio. Well, I'll see you in a minute. Yo, white dog, go take your nap now, have your cut picking vittles, and tell everybody wish you hello, wish them all away, y'all. And hello to you around the mini grass, Doc 144 in Indiana. I'm gone now.
All I hear is you and my radio in the bucket. I said it, I ain't taking it back.
Well, you got a big old mall, too. You got a big old mall out here. Matter of fact, I think you kicking on 147. You kicking on that cat big over there now, too.
Now, Bumpy, I'll let you know I heard you, because the one on the mini grass, he's still on the hammer. Up. Hello, 702 in the mini grass. Hello, 702. Hello, 702 in the mini grass. Doc 144 in Indiana. That's who it was, 702. There wasn't nobody but Doc 144 downtown in Annapolis, Indiana. I heard your radio. You can go ahead now, Williams, and I'm through now. He probably went to the tracks. Let me see if he went to the tracks. Doc 144 in Indiana. Hello, my friend Wagon. Bunny on the West Coast, Doc 144 in Indiana with the wave, and I'm gone now. That's my friend Undercover Lover in the Black Gold. That's my friend Undercover Lover in the Black Gold, dog. Would you tell him I said hello and welcome to the work week even though he's not working? Tell him I said hello, dog. Dog 144, that's my friend in the Black Gold.